In the sky above the sun-scorched desert, there once floated a city of light and magic. But peace shattered when purple storms cracked its bridges and towers. Far below, in the sand's silence, a forgotten stone face emerged. The jinn had awakened. Dark orbs rained from the sky, cursed magic seeking to devour the floating realm. The skies tore open, and ancient buildings trembled mid-air. And as chaos bloomed, the jinn's glowing eyes watched, waiting. Then, from the dust, a spark rose. A young soul stood upon a glowing platform, fire and ice pulsing at their fingertips. Guided by the spirits of the old guardians, they looked up, toward a city in ruins. And destiny answered. To restore the balance, the Chosen One must first destroy the cursed orbs. Fire blazed from one hand, ice from the other. In every strike, the desert echoed with power. One orb shattered, one step closer to rebuilding. Then came the trial of the sky path, where floating islands danced in the storm. With fire and ice sticks, the Chosen One leapt and soared, chasing portals of light. For every challenge passed, the city pulsed back to life. The darkness still lingers, and the jinn watches from the shadows. But the city stands tall once more, golden and whole.